brand new Dash 9 locomotive with Cattron LCS, just out of paint. Truck's rebuilt in Topeka, Kansas. Putting the finishing touches on her before she gets shipped up to Northtown, Minneapolis. Cab has been all cleaned up. Rich has the LCS system out right now. Rich, I hope you know where all this stuff goes.
Yeah, actually, I got a good picture of it yesterday before I started. I'm actually getting on a call right now with Jeremy and Jody Grazier.
Okay.
And I'm going to ask them about these cannon plugs that we need for the speedometer cables. They can actually start to put those on for us.